Good morning everyone. Well, I didn't get out yesterday what I would like to have done because what we're always talking about learning, I couldn't actually get it to do what I wanted to do. But that is what I wanted to send you. Yes, no, I still haven't got a new printer yet. It's on its way. So what did it actually have to say? It was talking about letting go of what you are worrying about right now and ways you can change that. And what I'd actually tried to do to attach to that but couldn't find an answer that I could actually get it out to everybody was a piece of music. In that piece of music you could do anything because it was lively, it was quiet, it was relaxing, all in one piece of music. So even though everybody is stuck at home right now, unless you are going to work or there's something that you've run out of, there are things you can do to change how you feel. There are things you can do to change your mood. And I'm hoping next week I will have a great friend of mine on Facebook with me. And we will have a chat about Tai Chi and about fitness. He's somebody that I met when I first wanted to get myself fit after being so very ill. And when I met him, I thought, he's so laid back. He's not, what shall I say? He's not watching what I'm doing or what I should be doing. But as I got to know Kevin, I realised that he was stepping back, but he knew everybody in his class what they were capable of doing. And when he really showed me how good he was when somebody in the class became ill, because he was there so quickly. He's just got this mannerism of taking in what's around him without looking like he's doing a lot. But when he takes a class, he does take part in it. He doesn't just start you off on something and then stop. He does take part in it with you. And we all need someone who does that with us. And I've been working with Pete Cohen this morning, as I do most mornings, because I need someone to keep me on track as well. We all do. So happy belated Easter to everybody. Enjoy today. I know the weather's not so good, but maybe that's a lesson for us to realise that things will change, but they will change when the time is right. But we can change how we feel about situations, just like that. So what will you change today? My change is that I'm going to continue writing the second book. I also have some study to do with someone else I'm working with. So that will definitely keep me out of mischief today. Love to everybody. Take care. Speak soon.